Yes, yes, yes. I am live. I am live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my show. Today, we're just going to talk about what ifs. Okay, what ifs. All right. Actually, shout out to everybody that's here on a live stream. I don't know why my picture of the live stream looks different, but for some reason. But anyway, if you guys are watching this live stream right now on the replay, you can definitely hit that settings, and you can go to 1.5 or 2, and you can actually speed up the replay during a live stream. I'm not giving no one financial advice. This is entertainment only, okay? And today we're going to look at some charts and talk about what ifs and more, okay? So if you're tired of losing money during this bear market, definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here, guys, all I do is look at the charts. Really, I don't really care too much about news. And the charts will tell you everything you will need to know, and it will help you make money. Okay, so if you're not making money right now, definitely hit that subscribe button. I've been doing this for 11 years. I'm a professional trader. I day trade Monday through Friday, swing trade cryptos. So definitely hit that subscribe button. All right, so let's see if I see any people in the live chat. This is a Sunday, so I don't know if people are going to show up. Okay, this is Sunday. Shout out to everybody that's here so far. Let me see who's in the chat room. Yes, my computer's acting real slow right now. Okay, so Alex, Shane, NN, Keith, Travis, Rufus, Robert. Shout out to all you guys, man. Thanks a lot for coming through. NN. All right. I hope your guys' weekend been okay so far. So let's get to the charts. Actually, let's go to CoinMarketCap first. All right. Let's go to CoinMarketCap first. Let's refresh this. So right now, 202 billion. Bitcoin dominance is rising up. Actually, not rising, but it's still above 50%. Okay. So I do expect this thing to at least hit 60, probably by the end of this year. And what that simply means is if it goes to 60, that means that the market is dropping, okay? That the market is dropping and these altcoins are dropping too. So that's why, I expect overall the market itself is not doing anything. And we're going to look at Bitcoin because some, people in the crypto market, once again, for some reason, people in the crypto market swear up and down, this is it. This is the bottom. I mean, I don't know how many times people have to lose to realize that you're not smart enough to time the bottom, guys. You're not smart enough. You're not that smart. The market will humble you. If you don't know that by now, trust me, you will find out. The market will humble you. You're not smart enough. No one is smart enough to time the bottom or the tops, okay? Unless you are an insider, no one is smart enough to time that bottom, okay? I see it already. Okay? YouTubers making videos. Oh, guys, you see this? It's holding 6,000, guys. It's holding 6,000. This had to be it. So, I'm just here to let you know that you're not smart enough for that, okay? Shout out to Adrian. Thanks a lot for stopping by. So let's go to that 4-hour chart. So the 4-hour chart is basically telling us that we popped up a little bit and we sold. As soon as we popped up, we sold right back down. So that's weak, guys. That's just weak. No bullish action right there at all. Most likely what's going to happen is we might see consolidation again. I know, guys. I know it just, like I said in my Discord room, I think it was yesterday, the crypto market has been getting slower and slower. Okay, that's why I told you guys XRP is probably the best one to look at, because it's been providing some good opportunities money wise this month, last month, you know. But you know, it seems like with Bitcoin, when it drops, make a huge move, it just stalls out and it just stays quiet for another 2 weeks. So we might see another week, guys, of this not doing anything. So don't expect crazy moves next week. We might have another week, a week or two, where Bitcoin is not doing anything. But I tell you this much, this looks weak, and I will not be buying anything. So go ahead if you think you're smarter than the market and you swear up and down that this is the bottom, because every single time we go to 6,000, we're holding that level. If you feel that you're smart enough to time the bottom, go ahead, be my guest. Okay. So guys, if you have any questions, definitely hit your, definitely type your questions in the chat box. But right now, what I'm looking at is look like another continuation pattern on a 4-hour chart when it comes to Bitcoin. Okay, another continuation pattern. And for you guys that just don't understand what's going on, when you see higher lows like this, doesn't mean anything, guys. Higher lows, if you look at this whole pattern right here, it's just a correction. That's it. It's a channel that's looking to be looking to break to the downside. So right now we might have a small little channel right here, and this channel, small little channel right here, might break to the downside. So just keep that in mind. If Bitcoin was bullish, it wouldn't of just basically just break down like this and continue to test the 6,000 mark. If this was bullish, we should be at least at 10,000 by now, easily by now. Okay, this is not bullish. This is a bear that is selling the market. It's just what it is. If you're just tuning into my channel, and you just don't understand what I'm trying to say, you feel like I'm a bear. I'm not a bear. Okay, I'm a professional trader, professional investor. This is what I do, guys. Okay, and when I see things on a chart, I just tell you guys what I see. I don't just try to make things up. So of course I want things to be bullish for your guys' sake, because I know some of you guys have money on these coins. But right now we in the bear market, and I believe this is just the first stage. I think this is the first stage, and things might get ugly real soon. So guys, if you have any questions, again, type it in. Remember, this is a stream that I go back and forth with the questions. But if you're new to the channel, welcome also. So let me give you guys a round of applause. I forgot to do that. Let me give you guys a round of applause. JB said, I'm trading, yes, I'm swing trading crypto. I don't have a position in right now, but I do swing trade crypto. Is Litecoin bullish? Well, nothing is bullish right now. Nothing is bullish right now. So if Bitcoin is not bullish, then nothing in cryptos right now is bullish. If you look at Litecoin chart, I mean, nothing bullish about this. We've been crashing all year. If you look at it right now, this thing looks so weak that it looks like it wants to continue to test the lows. All right. So no, Litecoin looks bearish, like these other cryptos. What's the deal with Tether, guys? What's the deal with Tether? I was looking at a couple of videos. People pointed this out. It looks like Tether is trying to, I don't know. It's like it's dropping slowly. I don't know if this is anything. I don't know if this means anything. But people was pointing this out that Tether was slowly dropping. So we'll see. I don't know if that means anything. It's still at 98 cents, so it's not anything huge. But we all know that Tether is definitely a ticking bomb anyway. So. All right, so let's go to these questions real quick. What's going on, Glenn? Yes, definitely hit these likes, mooning likes. Paul said, Big Ben, how's tricks? What's that? What's tricks means? What's going on, Glenn? What's going on, Travis? What's going on, Best? Best said, do you think XRP would turn bullish soon? Let me go to XRP. Let's go to XRP. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Thanks a lot for stopping by on a Sunday. Right now, it's 1:06 p.m. Eastern Time where I'm at. So let's look at XRP. Do I think it's going to turn bullish anytime soon? Or it's soon, period? No. I don't think so, because you have to understand how the charts work. Okay, bullish simply means that the chart is simply going up. Okay, even if we pull back for a little bit and we're going back down. Okay, if you don't know what that means, let me just zoom out and show you exactly what we did last year. All right, so bullish simply means this. You see how XRP went up. You see how it pulled back, but it was a slight pullback. Okay, a slight pullback, went up. We call this higher highs. Okay, a higher high means that this high is higher than this high. Okay, that means that the bulls is just buying up the market. All right, we pulled back right here, and then it continued to go up. Okay, so let me show you what we're looking at right now. All right, as a guy that does this for a living, I'm telling you that this doesn't look bullish. All right, look at this. We shot up, we tried to go up, back up again, and guess what? We went all the way back down where we started. Okay, so no, this doesn't look bullish at all, and I don't expect XRP to be bullish anytime soon, because number one, we in a bear market. Number two, I just showed you the chart itself, which is the number one proof, ultimate proof. Okay, and you know, it's just what it is. So right now XRP looks bearish, and you just have to be prepared for that. Okay, Paul said tricks is how it's going. How are things? Okay, shout out to Paul. Things is going good, man. Things is good. I had a decent weekend. I didn't really do anything. Just chill with my daughter. Okay. But I hope everything is good with you, Paul. You said what I think about. I don't really have no thoughts about that. I just think, you know, everything right now is bearish. You know, I don't really have any thoughts about any projects right now. Me personally, I want to see how all of these projects perform in a bear market. Okay, and that's when I'm going to make my decision on buying. But right now, the bear market, in my opinion, just started. The bear market just started. So me personally, I'm not looking to buy anything right now. All right, so guys, if you have more questions, let me know. Let's go What's going on, Leslie Savage? What's going on, Fetch? What's going on, Lord of the Boards? All right, so let's see here. MDA. What's MDA? Is that a crypto? I don't know. I don't know what MDA is. Let me see. Is that a crypto? You said it's been going crazy. Um, 40 to, oh well. Hey man, it shot up pretty nice. But at the same time, guys, if you are in this move, okay, just remind yourself we are in the bear market and don't get too excited. But yes, it is popping up. What I think about this, I don't think nothing about it. I think these coins that pop up, I think all of them have room to pop up. So when you do see a pop up, don't think anything about it. Just know that we are still in a bear market. Just still remind yourself that. Best said, "Wow, I just got some XRP. May think of selling. So let me ask you why, Best. I just want to hear your thoughts. What made you buy XRP? Was it a YouTuber? I want you to be honest with me, okay? Was it a YouTuber that convinced you to buy XRP? I'm just trying to figure out what made you buy XRP right now, and I'm trying to figure that out because Leslie Savage said, free for all next week, Bitcoin. I hear that. Button Scott said, do I think everything is gonna get crushed on Monday? No, I don't think that. I mean, you know, you hear stories. I hear a lot of stories. I don't know how, honestly, I don't know how these stories are created anyway. But people come out with these stories talking about Black Tuesdays or Black Mondays, and you know, guys, don't fall for that. If Bitcoin decides to drop Monday, hell, hey, you know, it is what it is. But don't ever make your decision based on the crypto community, because the crypto community is usually always wrong anyway. Can we have a big sell off tomorrow? Yes, anything is possible, but me personally, I don't think it's going to be Monday. Okay. Let me see. Julian said, love trolling Big Ben. Hey man, if you want to, if you guys want to waste your own energy, hey, more power to you. Let me see. How low do you think Bitcoin will go based on the charts? Bitcoin can go real low. All right. First of all, you know, right here is definitely an area where I can see Bitcoin going, which is around 2,900, 3,000. Okay. Now from there, can it go lower? Yes, anything is possible. Okay, but this area right here is definitely a target where I can see Bitcoin going, 2,900. Okay. Let's see here. Julian was timed out. Man, guys, who timed out Julian? Guys, before you time Julian, or before you time the trolls out, let me give him the loser button, guys. Let me give him that loser button before you time him out. Okay? Because these guys are losers. It's just what it is. I want to give these guys the loser button. All right.
I'm a loser.
All right.
I'm a loser.
Because I know he's an XRP boy, because I remember him make a comment on my YouTube video, one of my XRP YouTube videos. So I know he's an XRP boy, straight up. I know it. But he's a loser. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to.
I'm a loser.
I just want to hit that button before you guys throw him out, because you know, these guys are just straight up, you know. Anyway, let's go back some questions, Ben, about the Adrian said, when are you sure that the bull market is going on? It's not false breakout, because you can have higher lows and it could go back again. That's a great question. Okay. And my answer is probably something that most people don't want to hear. Okay. You don't know. You never know. Okay. You don't know. You don't know if the bull market is going to be there. You can take, you know, you can have educated guesses. You know, you can guess and try to not go all in. But when you see the market decides to make a different move, then you can, you know, decide if you want to buy in. Okay, but no one knows the bottom. Yes, there's patterns out there or indications that you can just look at and say, hey man, this looks like this thing looks like it's trying to go up. But other than that, no, you don't know. Okay. When can a big fall start? When, as in like the date? No one knows. If a YouTuber or a Twitter expert tells you he knows, that guy's you know, he really doesn't know what he's talking about. Paul said, Ben, speak the truth. Nobody likes that. Exactly. That's why I wanted to hit that loser button for that guy. I think his name is Julian. I don't know what his name.
I'm a loser. I'm a loser.
But you can tell he's a loser because he has, I mean, really, his time, he wasting his time on me. Okay. Stuffworks said it's just only for 300 seconds. So Julian, if you're watching this, I want you to come back, okay? I want you to come back because you timed out for only 300 seconds. So come back in, man. You know? Ah, man. What's going on, Muhammad? What's going on, Luke? 2,900 or lower, BTC is so realistic? Yes. Okay. Mason said, Ben, this is why you're the only guy I watch. So shout out to Mason, man. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Like in a month or next week. Well, yeah, I mean, I think it's going to be probably, hopefully either by the end of the month. Christina said, what do you think about the market as a whole? Eventually succeed in the long run? Shout out to Christina. Thanks a lot for that question, because that question is it's going to bring me to what I want to talk about today. Okay, but before I even talk about that, if you guys are not in the Discord room or you don't have this, check this out. I usually give you guys that discount. So let me get this over with so I can talk about the crypto market, you know, the future. So the original price is $210. I usually give you guys that $110 discount. This comes with a Discord room. You can chat with me and my traders. Basically, we talk about crypto, but this product alone will help you navigate through this crazy bear market that we are seeing right in front of our eyes, guys. Let me copy and paste this for you guys that don't have this. You can ask anybody that has this course on this live stream that this course is worth every penny. Honestly, I should be charging more. Okay. And basically, this product will show you how to make money currently in this market right now. Okay. Most people are waiting for the bull market while people like me and my students are making money. All right. So check that out, because I know some of you guys on this live stream is tired of losing. It's just what it is. Okay. If you're not making money in this bear market, I think something is wrong. I really think something is wrong. Or if you're not trying to make, okay, because some people are just still studying the market and they trying to figure out. So I can't say everybody if everybody's not making money, but let's say that even if you're not making money, but you're trying to study to figure out how to make money, shout out to you, okay? But if you're not trying to figure out how to make money now, or trying to make money in this market, shame on you. Shame on you, because there's a lot of money to be made. Only people that's making money right now in this current market is the swing traders, right? The traders. That's it. This current market is not for a buy and hold person. It's not. Okay. Even if you have a 9-to-5, you can still swing trade. Okay. I have proof of that. My students are working and they're still making money. All right. This market is designed for you to make money either way. Why not take advantage of that? Let me repeat that again, guys. This market is designed for you to make money either way. So why not take advantage of that? Why just only take advantage of buying the market? Okay. It just, it gets kind of crazy. And these YouTubers, they don't make it any better. Okay. Most of these guys are losers anyway. All right. They don't know what they're talking about. In the bear market, you can actually make life-changing money. You can make life-changing money. So, guys, if you don't have anything, I don't know if I copy and paste that. I don't think, I probably did. I can't remember. But yeah. All right. So let's get to this. All right. Let's get to my topic of the day. My topic of the day is, and Melissa asked me what she says. What do I think of the market as a whole will eventually succeed in the long run? All right. So the topic of the day is what if, guys? What if? Okay. What if your favorite coin? Okay. What if your favorite coin decides to fail, or it's not going to perform in the future? What if your favorite coin like XRP or Tron TRX or Bitcoin or Litecoin, what if your favorite coin decides to not perform at all? What are you going to do? Do you have a backup plan? Because I'm here to tell you guys, I know for a fact most of these crypto guys on the internet, they have their whole wealth in one coin. I know it for a fact. You know why? You know how I know it? Because I hear it. I hear it. And also, when you talk about a coin, a specific coin, these guys go crazy. How dare you talk about that coin like that? This is how I know they have everything they got in that coin. Everything. Okay? So what if your coin decides to keep going down and you lose everything? Are you going to continue to go back to work and work for the rest of your life? Are you okay with losing your hard-earned money? Okay? Are you okay with losing your hard-earned money, the money that you've been saving your whole life? Are you okay with that? And, most people will say, hey, Ben, it's impossible for Tron TRX to go to zero. It's impossible for XRP to fail. It's impossible. What are you talking about, buddy? And people like that, they have a lot to learn, okay? When you use words like impossible, you have a lot to learn. See, the problem is, guys, our school system didn't teach us financial education, okay? So we don't know about the financial world. All we know is, hey, man, we supposed to buy and hold, guys. That's it. That's all we know. So when you say certain things like it's impossible for things to fail, that means that you are trying to play God and you control the market, okay? And you just know everything, all right? You just somehow know everything. So what do I think about the future of the crypto market? My simple answer is I don't know. Yes, I wish I can sit here and tell you things that either you want to hear, or I wish I can try to sound smart. All right. I wish I can do that. I wish I can say, hey, man, yeah, so according to this study, crypto market is going to be Bitcoin is going to hit 100K by 2020. I wish I can, try to do that and try to sound smart. But the honest answer is I don't know. And no one knows. Okay. All I know is I can make money whether my favorite coin goes down or it goes up. That's all I know. And honestly, that's all I care about. This is why most moon boys get upset when I say the market is bearish and it looks like it's going to continue to go down. It's because they don't have another strategy that allows them to make money when the market goes down. And also they have all their wealth in one coin. And they screwed if that coin fails. They screwed, guys. They done. It's not because I want the market to go down. I'm just reporting to you guys what I see on a chart. So you could get mad at me all you want, but you should be getting mad at the markets, all right? So it is what it is, all right? It is what it is, guys. But some of you guys don't want to hear the truth. Some of you guys don't want to hear the truth. I actually want to read a comment that one of my, Melissa actually wrote. And some of the things, most of the things I agree with. Okay? So let's read this. Let's read this real quick. Ben, Ben, like I do, that most in crypto have adopted a cult mentality, which is true, guys. Let's keep it 100. Let me drop a bomb. I'm gonna drop a bomb with this. Okay, so it's true. This is true right here. Let me drop this bomb. I don't know what just happened, but let me try to drop this bomb again. All right. Most people in the crypto world adopted a cult mentality, guys. I made a video, I think maybe 3 days ago. I was talking about YouTubers, and I said something about the XRP YouTubers. The XRP community came at me, guys, like I said something crazy about the coin. I was talking about the YouTubers. They came at me like, guys, like it was just abnormal behavior. Okay. So when she said a cult mentality, then I definitely agree with her with that. Okay. That is 100% true. Right. She said, if you go on Telegram or YouTube and question a project or a decision, you're automatically told to get out. They don't want you here, guys. Get out. How dare you question my Tron TRX? How dare you question my XRP? Okay? They don't want you here, right? She said, I don't understand it, except the coins are taking advantage of people. So let me give another bomb, okay? These coins are taking advantage of people, making them think that they are part of something. Woo! Spitting that fire. When I come on here and I talk, right, most people just think I'm just, you know, a guy that's just talking. But what she's saying is so true. You think the owner of XRP cares about you? Anyway, let's keep on going. All right. I lost my position. Let me see. All right, making them think that they are part of something, that you are important part of the coin's growth and ecosystem. Okay? That you are now part of something. Newsflash, people. No one in the crypto cares. No one in crypto cares, okay, about anyone except themselves. Oh, let me give that bomb. Woo! Dropping bombs here. No one cares about you. They care about themselves, okay? Your favorite YouTuber, your favorite coin, COO, CEO, founder. They don't care about you. They are on a mission for themselves in their own pockets. Woo! Drop that bomb. All right. Which each investor finally realized this, that's when they start making money. Forget 2017. And the one in a lifetime results. It's not going to happen again. All right? And YouTubers that make money from hodling through 2017. Oh man, means nothing except their only investment strategy is to do nothing. Okay? Let it go to zero or make $1 million. Casino will give you better odds than crypto. Now, let me go through this, okay? Is 2017 one in a lifetime results? Okay, will that happen again? That's guys goes back to who is it? Who asked me that? Christina. Okay, will the crypto market succeed in the long run? I don't know. Like I said, I wish I can come on here and try to sound smart. Bro, like honestly, I make money from the charts. I read the charts, and that's how I make my money. Okay. For the people that trying to sound smart and swear that they know what's going to happen in the future, those are the people that don't make money, guys, at all. Okay, so, yeah, I can try to sound smart, but that doesn't put money in your pocket, all right? So, could 2017 be the last time we see a crazy bull run like this? Hey, man, it's possible, okay? It's a possibility. Since the government is stepping in, it's a possibility, okay? But only thing I disagree with this is the casino gives you better odds, okay? And shout out to Melissa. Let me give her another bomb. The casino definitely doesn't give you better odds, okay? There's money to be made right now, guys. If you're not making money right now, you just brainwashed, you're stuck, you just want to do things your way because you want to be right. All right. I've been making money. I know a lot of people, other people have been making money. My students been making money while the market been going down. All right, guys, let me take a sip of this. I got something in my throat. All right. So, I don't know what's going to happen, but I tell you this, guys. Imagine having power. Imagine having a certain type of power that allows you to make money whether your favorite coin goes to zero. I don't care. That's why when Julian, that troll that just came in not too long ago, he was actually one of the people that comment under my video when I said I don't care if my XRP goes to zero, and I showed him why. Okay, I showed him a video of me day trading, okay, making money. All right, I told him that's why I don't care. So at the end of the day, it's up to you. At the end of the day, it's up to you what you want to do. Do you want to hold through this nonsense? Because honestly, Bitcoin has the space to go to 2,900 easily. Okay? So be my guest. If you really think you're smarter than the market, and you really think you could time the bottom, be my guest. All right? Be my guest. I'm going to catch up to these questions because I know I am backed up with these questions. So shout out to everybody that's here. I'm going to catch up to these questions, but I'm in the zone, guys. I'm in the zone. So when I'm in the zone, I just try to keep going. All right, because this stuff I can't, you know, it's not written down. So whatever's in my mind, I got to keep going. All right. So anyway, so for you guys that's, you know, just struggling, man, you know, that's why I made these videos lately. I try to wake people up. I'm trying to wake people up. Most people don't want to. Most people don't want to. They don't want me to wake them up. So you know, but if you are on this live stream for the first time and you hearing me and it sounds like I'm saying something that sounds true, hit that subscribe button, okay? Because over here, I don't care about hyping things up. All right? Your favorite YouTuber, so-called expert, these guys don't know anything. They're not making no money. All they want to do is trying to sound smart, okay? They read the news to you word by word. That's how they sound smart. They read the news to you word by word. Hey guys, look what I found a news article. Let me read it word by word. Okay, so I'm not here to try to sound smart, guys. I'm trying to help you get rid of that crazy 9-to-5 job that you have. Okay, if you've been following me for a long time, you know that I said my channel is deeper than crypto, or deeper than anything. All right, I'm trying to help you guys get out that 9-to-5. Only way you're going to do that is if you build skills, not from buying and holding. Buying and holding doesn't help you build skills. Honestly, what most people don't know is actually, once you become a trader, it will actually make you a better long-term investor. Most people don't know that, okay? And why is that? Because you are out here honing your skills, okay? You're getting better and better, understanding how the market works, okay? Imagine you trying to try out for the NBA, right? And you only practice once or twice a year. How can you literally say you're going to get better? This is what the buy and hold guys do. They buy maybe once, twice a year and hold and wait and hope. This is what they're doing. They're not honing their skills. If you're swing trading or you're day trading, you will trust me, guys, you will be a much better investor because now you understand how the market works. Okay, you're not going to get tricked. You're not going to be tricked while everybody's saying the market is turning bullish. You're saying to yourself, "Oh, these guys are just, oh man, these guys are rookies," you know. So it's up to you if you want to learn how the market works. Over here, I'm good. I'm straight. All right. I actually heard this from a trader today. Okay. I actually heard this from a trader today. I'm about to drop some bombs because this is so true. He said, there's no system out here that's foolproof. Do you know the only system that's a foolproof system is taking profits, locking in your gains. That's the only foolproof system. Let me drop these bombs, bro. Woo! I'm gonna repeat that again. Because that is so true, guys. There's no foolproof system out there. I don't care what no one says. Your buy and hold strategy is not 100% guaranteed. Your swing trade strategy, day trade strategy is not 100% guaranteed. Okay? The only foolproof strategy that's out here is taking profits. That's it. That's the only foolproof strategy. I know people that made 6 figures and lost it all just because they didn't take profits. Okay? When I day trade every single day, that's all I'm doing, guys. Taking profits, taking profits, taking profits. Last year, when the market was bullish, guys, when I bought XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, guess what I did? Took profits, took profits, took profits. If you've been watching me, right, for the longest, what, guys, you know what I've been trying to tell you guys all the time. Take profits, take profits. That's the only foolproof strategy out here, guys. Let me give that a bomb once again. Because your favorite YouTuber can't tell you this. Because they're not doing this for a living, guys. They're not doing this for a living. Right? Alright? They're not doing this for a living. People in the crypto community, they want to have a buy and hold contest, guys. Hey, guy, how long can you hold your coin? I can hold my coin forever. What about you, guy? That's what people want to do. They want to have a buy and hold contest. They want to see how long you can hold your coin. That's what most people want to do. All right. So if people make 6 figures, they won't take it because they so they so caught up in that buy and hold mentality, which is oh my gosh, man. Whew. That's why I couldn't wait to do this live stream today, guys. I couldn't wait. For all y'all moon boys, all you guys that had that cult mentality, all you guys that been hating on me, whoo! You know, you guys really have to wake up, man. Your YouTuber is full of it. He been losing money this whole year, and you're still following him. All right? People want to brag about how long they've been holding. Okay? How about brag about, yo, listen, I just quit my job last week because I know how to trade the markets. How about brag about that? Okay? Not about brag about, hey, man, I still got to go to my 9 to 5, but I'm still, I'm holding my Litecoin. I'm holding my XRP. Man, forget about that. This is why, guys, I'm trying to get you out of that mentality. Because if you buy and hold, you still got to go to work. I don't want you guys to go to work. It's a trap. Your 9 to 5 is a trap. Plain and simple. Your YouTuber can't teach you that because they still, well, some of them actually make a living from YouTube, so I can't say they have a 9 to 5. But they don't do this for a living. So most of the guys don't know what they're talking about. It is what it is. So let's go to these questions. Let me hit that bomb one more time, and I'm going to go to these questions. All right. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All righty here. I'm going to go to these questions real quick. So, it is what it is. I'm just going to go to these questions real quick. Do you think the stock market dropped last week linked to Bitcoin drop? Nah, I don't think so. You know why I don't think so? Because Bitcoin been dropping, guys. I mean, when I come on my live stream, I tell you guys to use common sense. Bitcoin been dropping since January. What does that have to do with the stock market? The stock market been going up this whole year. Okay, so for your favorite YouTuber expert that always trying to make all they want to do is trying to sound smart. Okay, they want to sound smarter than you. That's all they want to do. They want to sound smarter than you. And most of you guys actually are smarter than them. You are smarter than your crypto YouTuber. I'm not trying to sound smart. I don't care about that. Let's make this crypto. Let's make this money. That's what I care about. All right? being smart or trying to sound smart is not going to make you money. This is what it is. You got to understand how the game works. If you don't, you're going to get tricked. This game is all about tricking you. That's it. All right, so let's go to another question. When Bitcoin falls, doesn't necessarily means that the other altcoins fall too. Right now, Muhammad, right now, that's how it works. So, unfortunately, yes, right now it is. That's how it works right now. But what price BTC needed to XRP drop to single digits? Man, XRP, man. Man. If Bitcoin goes to 2,900, imagine where XRP price is going to be. I don't know exactly what price Bitcoin has to be, but shout out to all you guys. Let me see here. Does this course cover reading chart and indicators? Let me see your name. I'm trying to pronounce your name. I can't really pronounce your name. I'm gonna call you Pav. So Pav, the chart covers how to read the charts. Okay, me personally, I don't use indicators on the course. I only talk about the moving average, and the reason why I don't cover any indicators is because you don't need them. All right, you don't need them at all. I know some people use them. Hey, if you want to use them, that's on you. I do this for a living, so I can tell you that you don't need them. All right. All you need to do is study price, and you will be much better investor and trader. All right. So if you don't have this course by now, check it out. It will show you step by step. Okay, this is very important. Step by step, show you how the market works and how to get in, how to exit, and all that stuff. Okay, it comes with a Discord, so even if you have any questions, you're stuck, you have the Discord to fall back in. All right, so I'm gonna give you that link once again. Let me continue to read these questions. I just post that link so for anybody don't have that. Should I do leverage trading? Of course, I can't give no one financial advice on this live stream. Okay, so whatever you know, if you want to do it, you can do it. I do it, because that's where the money is at. Okay, I don't know any rich person that don't use other people's money, because when you're using leverage and margin, you're basically using other people's money. Okay, now if you're just first starting off, of course, you don't want to go crazy because you don't know nothing. You're just starting up. Okay, so most people that start out, they try demo first. Demo is paper trading, meaning that you're using fake money, but you're using the real life data. Okay, you're using real life data, but you're using fake money to trade the market. So you can try that first. Let me see. Leslie, how much you making from shorting? JB. Let me see. What platform can you short with low capital? Right now I'm using JFX. They has other platforms out here. I'm trying to think, but it's in a course or in a Discord room. I'm trying to figure out what other course. Jamie, are you in United States? Jamie, are you in the United States? Paul said no 222. They said they call me a prophet of doom. Rufus said Ben is a real deal, speaking the truth. Paul said you were 100% right. Ben Wisdom say, shout out to all your guys, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Appreciate it. Button Sky said you on fire, man. Yeah, I was in the zone. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You said XRP has gone up. Let's see what XRP. You said XRP went up a little bit. When right now, XRP is not doing that right now. Let me see. Why hold and trade, not mine or mine? I'm trying to figure out what you're saying, Game Hacker. I'm trying to figure out. Exactly what you're trying to say, Game Hacker. If you can reword that. Dom said, "What I miss? I don't know. I don't know what time you came in, but I was talking about some Moon Boys, of course, some YouTubers." And guys, if you have any questions, if you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. If you're tired of losing, if you're tired of these stupid YouTubers been promise you the moon every single month, right? You have a YouTuber that claimed that this month was going to be the month that is going to moon up, guys. This is the moon, guys. He actually made a video today claiming that the second half we had to see about the second half of October. And then you have other YouTubers saying the storm crashed the market. All right. Then you have a whole bunch of other YouTubers saying other crap. Let me see. Christina said, I was tricked in real estate and lost $500,000. Damn. So you was tricked how, Christina? How you was tricked? Was it when the market crashed in 2008? So I wish I would have known how to invest. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, that's the that's what you have to do. You have to educate yourself when it comes to investing. It is sometimes it is scary, or if you don't know what you're doing, it does seem like if things is going to work out, you don't know. But man, that's sad to hear. Christina says she's gun shy. So shout out to Christina. Yeah, I understand. Trust me, I definitely understand that you are gun shy. Because that's a lot of money. I mean, $500,000. I would say a lot of people on this live stream probably won't see $500,000. So that's a lot of money. But what I will say is little by little. Okay, so the best way to get in investing is you go little, and you start to go little first. So let's say that you just see something you want to put $10 on. Okay, you just start to get your confidence back. Okay, don't go all in trying to make back your $500,000, because that's what most people do. When they lose money, they try to make back the money that they lost. Okay, you have to build up your confidence first. You also have to learn. Okay, learning is very important, guys. It's very, very important. All right, so you have to learn about your industry, and then like I said, little by little, work your way up, build up that confidence. Don't try to make that $500,000 in 1 week. Let me see here. Yes, hit those likes. Shout out to John Doe. Christina said 9 to 5 sucks. Yes, it does. That's why I try to help you guys. Okay, I don't hear most YouTubers out here, especially crypto YouTubers. They're not trying to tell you to quit your 9 to 5. Okay, the reason why they're not telling you to quit your 9 to 5 because they give you a strategy. They give you a strategy that allows you. Well, I won't say allow you, but that makes you continue to work. Okay, your buy and hold strategy forces you to work. It forces you to work because you got to sit and wait. We might be waiting for years before that bull market comes. Years. 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. So your buy and hold forces you to continue to work. Go to that 9 to 5. what I'm trying to give you guys, I'm trying to give you the game that the rich is doing. The same way the rich is continuing to get richer, right? These rich guys are getting richer, all right? I'm trying to give you guys that game, okay? And the game that they are playing is they have skills that allow them to make money weekly, daily, monthly, okay? They do have long-term holds. They do have long-term investments, but the long-term investments doesn't make them or break them. Okay, let me repeat that. It doesn't make them or break them. It's just a bonus, right? It's just a bonus, something that they do on the side, bonus. Most people are using that bonus strategy as their whole strategy. Like, oh my gosh. The name of the game is build wealth, monthly, cash flow, coming in. That's it. You think Bill Gates is going to say, oh, I'm going to take all of my $80 billion and put it in one stock or one coin and I'm going to hope it works out? Do you think he will say that? No. Come on, guys, wake up. These YouTubers don't know what they're talking about, man. They garbage. They don't know what they're talking about. They full of crap. All right, so let's go back to these questions. And guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. If you're new to the channel, let me know. No, well, you don't have to let me know if you're new to the channel, but at least, you know, type in your questions because I'm quite sure you have a question. I want XRP to go down to 25 cents. Let me guess, because you want to buy more. Okay. Shout out to you, though. Jaffax is the minimum deposit of $10. Yes, it is. But I asked him, is he from the United States? She said, no, I was an investor. So you was an investor, okay. But was this 2008, Christina? Was this 2008? Lord of the Boy said, we speak a lot on other markets in the Discord. Yes. Okay. See, this is the key, guys. Okay. The strategy I'm trying to teach you guys will allow you to go to other markets and make money. Okay. It's not going to just tie you down to the crypto market. Okay. I think most people, and this goes back to Christina question when she asked me what do I feel about the future of the crypto market. I think most people forget that this market is unregulated and is going against the government. I think most people forget that. The reason why most people forget that is because it's been going on for 10 years. So they feel that since it's been going on for 10 years that the government will not step in and crack down. I think most people forget that. See, how the government works is they will sit and watch and build, okay, and make sure they have all their ducks in a row before they attack. Okay, if you look at how the feds shut down some of these drug lords, right? Sometimes they let them go on for years before they even try to arrest these guys. Okay, so the government will let you go on for years before they decide to crack down. So most people forget that this market is unregulated. Okay, I refuse to put all my wealth in an unregulated market. Will I buy if I see the market turn bullish again? Yes. Would I put all my wealth in it? No. I'm going to trade. I'm going to make money like I always do. I'm not going to stick all my wealth into something and you know, the next day is gone. Let's continue to go. People trading, holding, but not mining. Why? Some mine might hold coins. Mining is, to me, I don't think it's profitable. I mean, for what I know, okay? Okay, it could be. Let me know, Game Hacker. Is it profitable? Is it any good? I mean, what's the sense of mining coins if like I said, I don't know. I don't know how it works. Let me know. Put me on. Okay. All I know is you have to have a lot of power. I don't know. You know. And Christina says she did go all in, which was a big mistake. So shout out to her for giving us, guys, she's basically telling us the truth. Okay, she's telling us the truth that she went all in and she lost her money. So I'm glad that she's truthful, because a lot of these people on this YouTube, man, these guys are just clueless. So shout out to Christina. Trust me, I wish, in hope that you would definitely decide to go in the markets and try to understand it and educate yourself, because there's money to be made. The thing about the markets that I like, especially, you know, when it comes to trading, is you don't have to put your real money in the markets first. Okay, so for an example, okay, XRP, right? If you wanted to swing trade XRP, you can use fake money to practice first. Okay, you could practice your strategies with fake money. You don't have to put real money. This is why I love the markets. I don't know any other market out there like that you can do that. Okay, if I open up a storefront to sell clothes to the public, I can't go and open up a demo account and try to, you know, fake that. Okay, you can't simulate that. Okay, you either you open up a store or you don't. But you can't just open up a store and say, hey man, I'm just practicing. No, you can't say that. So I love the markets because you can practice before you use real money. Okay, so that's what, you know, that's what I would try to say, is just practice. If you love the markets like I do, I love the markets. I just don't trade crypto. I trade on the financial markets. Okay, if you love that, you can practice. All right, so let's go. I'm trying to go over these questions real quick. George, I use Javax. Let me see here. What's going on, Ken? How you doing? What's going on, MN? TRX, TRX price predicted how much will be. I don't predict things over here. 9 to 5 sucks. Today I finished work and I was super depressed. Yeah, 9 to 5 sucks, man. You're right. It does suck. Oh yeah, TRX, man, I didn't predict anything. I just said that what if. Okay, I'm trying to give you guys, I'm trying to help you think. Okay, most people in the crypto market, they don't think. They just rely on the news, rely on these stupid YouTubers, and they don't think. So I'm just trying to give you guys information so you can think. All right, what if? What if you have all your wealth in one coin and that coin doesn't work out? What if? Let me see here. She said no in 2018. Wow, that's crazy. And this was real estate? If you don't mind me asking, what exactly went wrong? What exactly went wrong in 2018 in real estate that made you lose your money? I mean, you don't have to say if you don't want to, but I'm definitely curious. What's going on, Beamer? Beamer said also people don't understand that hold a stock actually makes dividends. The hold is very different in cryptos. Yeah, I hear you. 1 USD one time. I'm trying to figure out. All right, so I'm pretty much caught up to all my questions. when it comes down to when you enter the market versus when you exit the market, plain and simple. Shout out to Brad. What's going on, Brad? Yeah, I hear you. Can you send a link to the demo for crypto? I don't have any links right now, but you can just type it in. Type it in, go to Google. But Crazy King, I tell you this, it doesn't matter if you demo, okay? You have to know what you're doing, okay? So you just can't just be playing with demo and you don't know what you're doing or what to look for, okay? So you have to understand how to read the market from the beginning, from the word go. So I definitely encourage you to learn how to read the markets. Crazy King, anybody else that's listening to this live stream. And what's going on, Randy? What's going on? So I'm about to get out of here, guys. If you guys have any more questions, I will look at it. But guys, I'm here to tell you that nothing is 100% guaranteed. Nothing is 100% guaranteed. I remember reading a guy's comment, and he said it's impossible for a Bitcoin to go below 6,000. Ah, boy. And people are not right now actually saying, hey, man, every time we hit 6,000, we holding that level, so we going up. And when you talk like that, guys, when you say impossible, you're basically saying that you control the market. You know what the market is going to do. Oh, man, it's funny. Bitcoin could go to $20. No one knows exactly. Can you tell anything about ADA? ADA. All right, ADA. Yeah, ADA looks weak and looks like it's going to continue to go down. All right. Let's zoom out real quick to the daily chart. Yeah, so it broke down and it's consolidating. Okay, so I definitely expect some type of consolidation because that's what Bitcoin been doing. This whole crazy, I don't know, for a couple of months now, dropping real fast and then consolidating. So I definitely expect maybe the whole week you might not even see anything. Okay, it might take us another week or two. But yes, 88 looks like it's trying to test these lows again. Let me see here. Ken said, Ben, you said solely price action. Still don't understand you not using indicators. Shout out to you, Ken. I know, Ken, I think you are one of the people that said you want to take up that day trading course, right? So when we take up that day trading course, you will see that why I don't use indicators. Okay, let's put it like this. Let's go to a MACD. All right, let me put on a MACD or RSI. All right, or whatever. I don't care. Just name it. All right, let's click on Let's click on the RSI. Boom. All right, let's click on this. All right, so do you see these squiggly lines right here? These squiggly lines comes from what? Price. So let me say that again. These squiggly lines that you see, it comes from price. So if price is the one that's creating these lines on the RSI, why do I even need the RSI? The RSI can't tell me that it's oversold, overbought. I can see it in the chart. Now, can people use indicators? Yes. People can use indicators. Do I use them? No. Because for my day trading, I would say indicators probably work better when you swing trade, maybe. But when you day trading and you in and out, you don't have time to be looking at no indicator saying, oh man, this thing looks oversold, and boom, you missed out. Nah. You're looking at price action, and that's it. I know it sounds weird because most of these YouTubers, all they do is have a whole bunch of indicators. But like I said, it's coming back to the same thing. These guys are not doing this full time. They're not paying their bills from this. So, all right. So let's go to these other questions. Mining is foolproof. You can make money doing it. You have the right hardware. All right. That's what's up. Me personally, I never looked into it though. You know, I'm not saying that you can't make money. I just don't know. Me personally. Okay. This is the difference between me and other lost people out here. Okay. Most people that can't make money from something, automatically they either call it a scam or they say it's impossible to do it. Like most people say it's impossible to day trade. I show them videos, but they still, you know. But anyway, like I said, if you say mining is you can make money from it, hey man, hey, me personally, I don't know. I never looked into it. But that's what's up. Christina said 3 different properties, bought it, home, gave firm 20% down. I thought for sure it was worst case scenario. When I sold, I would get 20% back. But by the time there was a sell offer, the firm borrowed against my home. Sheesh. That's sad. Man. That sucks. So equity is gone. Yeah, that sucks. That sucks, Christina. Man. Dom said, I was told off by a YouTuber. You said on YouTube by some guys simply because BTC could go to 1K. You understand. Most people don't want to hear the truth. Yeah, expensive lesson. I hear you. Ricardo said ADA versus TRX. Which one is the best coin, please? Ricardo, I don't know if you're new to my channel. If you are, welcome to my channel. Over here, I'm not here to compare which coin is better than the other coin. Unfortunately, Ricardo, we are in a bear market. So it's very hard to compare which coin is better, okay? Me personally, I want to see how these coins perform. I don't care if you have real life usage, like you are using a coin in real life. I don't care. I don't care about that. I want to see how this coin performs when this bear market is over. Don't tell me about the fundamentals. Because most especially the XRP community, oh, you haven't done your research. Don't tell me none of that. I don't care about none of that stuff. I want to see how the coin performs when this bear market is over. Doing research in a bear market doesn't help you at all. It doesn't put money in your pocket. It doesn't help you to get rid of that 9 to 5. Is it putting money in your pocket right now as we speak? Today, tomorrow, next week, Monday? month after month. That's what I care about. Most people get it twisted about reading the fundamentals, guys. I don't care about that stuff. Care about, you know, the news and stuff. All that stuff is fake. The news, most of the news comes from the company, and the company is not going to talk bad about themselves, right? The company is not going to talk bad about themselves, so the company is going to make sure that they PR, the PR company that they deal with, make sure that they write a good news article about them, and that's it. And you read it and you know, eat it all up. Man, whoo! That news article, that news article is good. That was a good news article. Is it putting money in your pocket tomorrow, next week, Monday, month after month, consistently? That's what I care about. Elliott Wave. No, I don't do Elliott Wave. Not saying that it doesn't work. Me personally, I don't do it. Christina said, lucky to still live in my home. So shout out to her. Let me give her a round of applause. Yeah, I mean, that's definitely lucky on that one. But hey, you know, take some time off. If if that happened 2018, you can take some time off. I definitely understand why you are gun shy. Okay, so you know, time. What I noticed with everything, time always heal. Time always heal. Okay, because that same pain that you felt 2 years ago, if you think about that same memory, it's not going to be the same. Okay. So you could take some time off, okay? But you know, while you're taking your time off, you could start learning about whatever you're trying to do. I don't know if you're trying to get into the crypto world or what, but whatever you're trying to do, just learn more about it, and you know, baby steps. But shout out to you. Nothing is foolproof, game hacker. Yes, that's true. Okay. And I actually, Bima, I don't know if you was here. Earlier. I don't know if you was here earlier, but I was talking about something like that. Okay. Actually, let me show you. Hold on, let me see something real quick. Let's see any other questions. But yeah, Bima, I was saying something about basically nothing is foolproof. Okay, most people in this crypto world, when they talk about their certain favorite coin, they swear up and down that it's going to go to the moon, and they talk like it's 100% guaranteed. Okay. Nothing in this market is 100% guaranteed, guys. I was saying this earlier, okay? I was listening to a trader. And he said no system out here is foolproof, which is 100% true. He said the only foolproof system out here is taking profits, locking in gains. That's the only foolproof system out here. Okay? And this is how I survive as a trader. That's how I survive as a trader. Taking profits. Because you really think that your favorite coin is going to hit a certain number, but that number is just fairy tale, guys. It just made up. You don't know that. You don't know how far your coin is going to go. It's just a thought that you had, a belief. But I know for a fact that if I have profits, I'm booking it. I'm booking those profits. Send that money to my bank account, please. Can you send that money to my bank account, please? Oh, okay, thank you. It's gonna take what? It's gonna take a day? Okay, all right. Just make sure you send it to my bank account, please. That's what I'm doing. Booking those profits. Because that's the only foolproof system out here, guys. You got profits, you take them. You thinking that your coin is gonna hit this crazy imaginary number. If these YouTubers is fooling you because they want you to come and subscribe to their channel. You got 16-year-olds, 17-year-olds telling you what to do. And I don't hate on nobody, they age and stuff, okay? Because we do have a lot of teenagers that's millionaires out here. So I don't hate on people's ages, but if someone is 16 years old and they just started this crypto market, okay? They just started this crypto market just like you. And you listen to these guys. Oh, man, you got a problem. You got a problem. Because these guys, these teenagers are in the same hole that you in. You guys are in the same hole. Trying to crawl out that same hole. And you listen to a teenager that... Oh, man, let me just chill out. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me see here. Ricardo said, who makes more money between a trader or a realtor? That's a hard question. Like, because you have millionaire traders and you have millionaire realtors. How is XRP as a product in your opinion? Okay, shout out to Indian. Shout out to Indian vibes. He said that how is XRP a product? Well, most people don't realize, okay, especially the XRP community, okay. And shout out to Melissa. We talked about this earlier. If y'all don't know, she said that most people in the crypto space adopted a cult mentality, and I definitely see that with the XRP group. Okay, if you even question anything, these guys come after you. Okay, me personally, XRP. If you want my honest truth, I'm gonna give it to you. My honest truth with XRP is just a startup company. Okay, that's all it is. It's just a startup company that just started and they trying to test the waters. Okay? If you know anything about business, I don't know if anybody is in this live stream that if anybody on this live stream opened up a business before, tell me. You know. When you first started that business, that first year, that second year, whew, that joint was rough. So XRP is a startup company. And that's it. I want them to prove themselves, and that's it. I don't get hyped off of stuff that I read because a news article came out. No, prove yourself. Prove yourself. Prove yourself. That's it. So that's all I want. So far, all I'm seeing is XRP and going down with the rest of the bear market, the rest of the whole market. That's all I'm seeing. I don't have a favorite coin, guys. I don't have a favorite coin. I used to be that guy. When I first started the stock market, I used to have a favorite stock. Oh my gosh, I love that stock. Until that stock burnt me. Then I figured out, man, these guys that run these companies, they don't care about you. I figured out these guys that run these companies, they don't care about you. Same way these guys with the coins, they don't care about you. If the market going up, the market going down, these guys are still going to make money. Okay? They're not going to knock at your door. They're not going to say, hey, man, hey, Bob, you know, I know you lost, 6 figures. Here's half of your money back. They're not going to say that. All right? So that's why, as as an investor, you really have to understand how the market works. If you don't, you're going to be that guy. You're going to be that average Joe. All right. Let's go back here. Crazy King said, do you trade Forex or futures? Yes, I do. Shout out to you. I do this full time, Crazy King. I have videos on my what do you call it, on my channel showing you. George said, in your course, will teach us exchanges to use. I just found Binance raises current price. Yes, George. You can. I name a couple of exchanges you can have. Or use. Everything is not. Every exchange has pros and cons, especially if you live in United States. But yes, I talk about different exchanges, and it is what it is. But honestly, guys, your exchange is not really your problem. Okay, stop thinking it's an exchange. Your problem right now is to figure out how you can consistently make money. Okay, the exchange is the last thing you should be worried about. All right, so Ricardo said, I need 500K to retire on 220. How much money do I need to invest? Ricardo, I'm telling you, I don't know where you live at, but 500K is no money. It's not a lot of money, so I don't know why you need 500K. And second, it doesn't work like that. Okay, that's what most people think. They swear that they just buy one coin and they're gonna become a millionaire. So that's why a lot of people are feeling it right now. They don't understand that this market right now is a bear market, and most likely it's gonna be probably the longest bear market we had in the crypto market space. Let me see. Christina said, thanks for your positive. Yes, no problem. Lord of the Boy said, manage your risks. Learn that the hard way. Yes, we all learned that, right? What's going on, Alex? How you cash out from crypto? We mean how I cash out from the withdrawal. You withdraw, Alex. Whatever exchange you in, just ask for a withdrawal. I don't know if you mean how I cash out as in like. I'm trying to figure out what you mean by that. Alex, I guess you had, rewrite that or something. XRP is a crowdfund. XRP is crowdfunding Ripple. That's funny. If the bear market is just beginning, it's going to be long and sad, depressing. Yes, definitely going to be. Sorry, family was visiting. I had to leave the stream. That's cool. I'm about to get out of here soon, though. How to take my money from crypto to USD? Me personally, if I'm taking it out, you can go to use Coinbase or something like that. Yes, you have to deal with the fees. You have to deal with fees, but send your crypto to Coinbase and you can take it out that way. So I'm about to get out of here, guys. It is a Sunday. I hope you guys had a good weekend. The Bitcoin dominance, every time we go down, it starts to rise back up. So I definitely expect something. I don't know why most people feel that this is the bottom. I mean, why does Bitcoin has to go up to slam right back down to 6,000 all the time? Okay. that tells you that it's weak. It tells you that if we was trying to bottom out, we should have found the bottom already. So please be careful, guys. I know some people want to claim that this is the bottom, but this looks so weak. All right. Bitcoin loves to fake you with these little up moves that they do, these little tiny up moves, and what they do, how they fake you. Okay, how they fake you is they join out. They make sure it's for a long time. Okay, so what I mean is they will go up, and this right here, this I would say it started what, September, let's say the 7th, right, all the way to here. Almost 1 month, right? A month. They made you believe that this thing was going up, so they dragged this. They dragged this whole up move to, you know, they made it 1 month to make you believe and trick you, to make you believe that we was going up. Okay. This is what they do, guys. But the real move, if you notice, the real move didn't take that long, right? It just boom, 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 boom. But the fake move, you see how the fake move takes forever? It takes forever. It's just the reason why they do that is because they want you to they want to hypnotize you to make you feel like, damn, this thing is gonna go up. This thing is gonna go up, you know. So guys, be careful. Stop trying to time the bottom. I'm about to get out of here, but definitely appreciate it. Leslie Savage, what's going on? Definitely appreciate you guys. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Alrighty, so guys, continue to have a good day. Enjoy what you was doing, whatever you was doing before. You said you catching the ends of the live stream. I hear you, Scotty. So enjoy what you was doing before. I'm about to eat my salad. I'm about to eat a nice salad. And, you know, enjoy the rest of my day. So, guys, thanks a lot. And if you don't have this program by now, I don't know what you waiting for. I mean, sheesh. I mean, 110. I mean, I can't make this thing cheaper than what it is. The original price is 210. While you're on the live stream is 110. You get to talk to me and my students in the Discord when you get that course. So if you have any questions, man, you know, there's no excuses. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.